What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and I've got another product by Joyroom. These are the open ear true wireless earbuds. Look at the design. A similar design that I've already unboxed and reviewed on my Allsortzz channel. So if you want to check it out, make sure you check out my wireless earphones playlist. And if you want to see other products from Joyroom, check out my Joyroom playlist, because I've got quite a few products. They have got some new arrival products as well. So if you want to see another product from Joyroom, let me know in the comment sections below. But in this video today, we'll unbox and review these new wireless earbuds from Joyroom. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so upload any video, you'll actually be notified. So in this video today, we'll take a look at the box, take a look at what we get inside of the box, then we'll take a look at the design of the wireless earphones, then I'll tell you some of the specifications and features with this with these wireless earphones or earbuds, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll connect them to we'll check the design of the earphones itself and then connect them to my phone, and I'll give you an audio description of what the bass and audio quality is like on these wireless earphones. So these cost around £35. I did get a bit of a discount. They usually cost around £49.99 at the time of this recording, but yeah, these are the new design ones. As you can see, they wrap around your ear instead of going over your ear, which is a new design. So yeah, let's unbox and review these Joyroom open ear true wireless earbuds. Let's get started. Now I'm going to talk you through the design of the box. So here are what the wireless earbuds look like. Joyroom, it is in a different language as well. Some is in a different language and some is in English. So innovative L-shaped design, sound wave focusing, intelligent full body touch control, and intelligent sound channel detection. Take a look at the back. That is the wireless charging case, and also the earbuds itself. It's 4.9 grams, 13 millimeters. No idea what that says. And AIENC, which HD calls. You got a QR code, a few trademarks. Take a look at the side, and I'm pretty sure that's the model number OE3, 40 mAh. That's probably for the earbuds. 400 mAh, that's probably for the charging case. Joyroom, and QR code, that's probably to download the app, JR Audio app. Make choices simple. So going around it, pretty basic, to be honest. Well, not basic, I would say. It's full of color and it tells you more information. Let's open up the plastic packaging. Let's see what we get inside. You have got a seal as well, which I've just cut right there. So let's open these up. And yeah, boxing and color is really nice. It's like a turquoise color with a black accent design. So inside of the box, you have got your Joyroom user manual in 2 different languages. So that is the QR code, and here is how you charge it, here you connect it, and here is how you use it. So let's see if I don't think it is in English, but double tap to answer a phone call and decline a phone call. Double tap as well on the left or the right to play and pause, and triple tap to previous a track, and triple tap on the left is to previous the track, and triple tap on the right earbud is to skip a track. They are the features, and where you need to hit it, I presume, is right there. So I'm presuming you have to connect them by holding in the button for 3 seconds. No idea what that one is, but we'll check it out as we go along. So that is the user manual. Here is the wireless earbuds. Just before we take a look at them, let's see what we get inside. And you've got a USB-A to USB Type-C charging wire. That's on one side, and on the other side you've got nothing. So let's take a look at the wireless earphones. Now you can get these in 3 different colors: black, white, and purple. I opted for the black color, and here they are. They actually look similar to it's like a chrome black, to be honest, like a chromish silver. What do you think? That's the charging case. I presume that is the button where you connect that to your phone, USB Type-C port for charging. And look at that. That is what the wireless earbuds look like. Here is the design of the earbuds. That's the charging mechanism right there. And basically these just wrap around your ear. Nice design as well. What do you think? Is that something you would buy? Let me know in the comments. Right, let's connect these to my phone. Now, first things first is I've already downloaded the app. So let's just agree to all that. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Okay, we'll put Bluetooth on. Go back. So basically, you've got to place the earbud back in the charging case, open the lid and keep it open. Go to settings. Make sure you have Bluetooth on when it comes to the Bluetooth settings. Press Joyroom, open free OE3. Hopefully they will connect. They are connected. Let's go back to the app. Close that. Add a device. Activate pairing model. Bring the earbuds to the phone. Joyroom OE3. Let's press them. So it actually shows you which color you've got. So you can actually choose the icy silver white, galaxy purple, or we've got the space gray. It actually says black when I actually bought them, but clean earbuds for better connection and timely charging extends battery life. So yeah, let's and there we have it. So the left is 50%, the charging case is 80%, and the right is 60%. Equalizers, so you can change how you want it, and you can also default gestures as well. Let's go to gestures. Double click to pause and play, triple click to previous track. The right one, same again, next track. So that's you can change it how you want it. Low latency, bass boosts, dual connection, find my earbuds. You can manage them as well. So if you go there, go same about, check for updates. It's all right at the moment. Yeah, so let's put these into my ears and let's see how they actually fit, to be honest. That's one. That's two. So they're in my ears. Let me play some music and I'm going to tell you the quality and audio bass. Okay, so music is playing and they actually fit nice in ear. Shaking my head, the earbuds don't even move, put it that way. A better fit from the previous one I did. Anyways, let's put the volume to 75%. Now I still can actually hear myself. Audio bass quality is very good, not gonna lie. Very good, very good. So let's put it up to 100. Not bad. I can't hear myself, but the audio and bass quality from 50 all the way to 100 is crystal clear. Very, very good quality. So what we'll do is we'll do the features, use the features. I'm using the left earbud, tapping it. So that paused it with the left earbud, double tap it again. And triple tap it. So as you can see, it has previous track. Triple tap it on the left, on the right one, and it's skipped a track. So it's a good track this as well, Lil Uzi version, what you're saying. So yeah, audio bass quality, well, audio is good. What I'm gonna do is go into the equalizers and try and treble boost. Not bad. It's not the bass. I would say I'm gonna give it about 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 when it comes to the word. Bass are probably it's okay, not that good. Overall, it's not bad. It's better on default, not gonna lie. But still, the audio is very good. Let's put the volume down. So the audio is very good, I'm not gonna lie. But the bass could be better. The audio, I'm gonna give it a good 8.5 out of 10. Bass, I'll probably give it about 6 out of 10. Really, really good. And I tell you what, they actually stay into your ear. I'm shaking my head and they're not even actually moving. That's how good they are. And overall, the quality is decent from the build to the audio. Bass could be better, but as these are like a new design, they're not bad. They actually cost me around, I think, £35, something like that, including delivery. And I've got to say, definitely a good pair of wireless earphones. I probably might even use these because they actually fit really nice in my ear. With the other ones, the in-ear ones, they actually sometimes fall out. But these, shaking your head and everything, they actually fit really good in your ear. But overall, not bad. I am going to say definitely quality when it comes to these Joyroom wireless earbuds. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video with the wireless earphones. If you want to see any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again for another video.